they have this protocol, but I don't understand. I still don't understand kung bakit, regardless of the protocol, like, di ba, you have eyes. You have eyes. You can see this person wearing
Exactly.
heels, dress, long hair. Di ba parang common
Automatic.
sense? I
Automatic
think
na. Oo.
yes. Parang
Automatic.
I think some people here in the Philippines are lacking of common sense.
That's very true. That's common sense na yun eh. Nakita mo na yung taong ang haba ng buhok, may malaking suso.
Mhm.
Tatawagin mo pa rin, sir. You,
Yeah.
first and foremost, di ba, sinasabi natin, before you speak, mag-isip ka muna. Do you think this is
Mhm.
insulting? Do you think ma-offend yung tao? Di ba pag tayo, pag nafe-feel natin, ay ma-offend kaya siya, nagdadalawang isip tayo kung sasabihin pa natin o hindi. And the correct way is better not say it. It's because kung makasakit ka or thinking na makakasakit ka, wag mo na lang sabihin.